Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this factory certified 2017 Chevrolet Equinox LS SUV that will be protected for years to come. On the exterior, we have power door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, liftgate, rear window wiper, remote keyless entry, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find beautiful cloth seating for 5, illuminated entry, outside temperature display, rear window defroster, tilt and telescoping steering wheel. The 7-inch LCD display has smart device integration and Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2017 Chevrolet Equinox has less than 63,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.